was burning the jungle. All the animals were running for the safety of the river, swimming to the other side in the safety of the far bank. Fire was burning the jungle. All the animals were there. The hyena, the leopard, the lion, the zebra, the giraffe, the elephant, all were waiting on the other side in the safety. All of them saw, coming out from the flames, a little parrot. It hovered, dipped a little beak into the water, and flew back into the flames, spitting out that little beaker. Then back it went. Flying again to fill its beak, the elephant began to speak. Little parrot, you were too little to put out that fire. Come, sit on my head and save yourself. You can't make a difference. And the little parrot This time it was the giraffe who spoke.
Oh, little parrot, I love you. You're so courageous, trying to put out the fire by yourself. Oh, 2 more times, 3 more, you'll be burned alive. My heart will break. Save yourself, come sit on my head. You can't make a difference. Come over here, save your body. Beautiful thing.
Little parrot. Finally, it was the hyena who spoke.
You think you're so brave, a hero. You're an idiot, a fool. You can't put out that fire. 2, 3 more passes, 4 at the most, and you'll never come out. You'll be burnt alive, and I, for one, don't care a lick. Brave parrot, bye-bye.
Finally, it was the lion who spoke. Everything shivered. Even the flames sort of...
Stop this foolishness. You're too little. You can't put out the fire and make a big difference. Now save yourself. I command you to come over here with the other animals. Stop this foolishness.
And then it was then that the parrot spoke for the first time. And little parrot said these words, which have come down to us over 2,000 years. The parrot said to the animals, I don't need your commandments, I don't need your scorn, I don't need your empathy, and I don't need your advice. But what I need from all of you, and what I need right now, is your help. Of course I'm too little. I can't put out the flames alone. But together, we are mighty. Together, if we all do what we can put out the flames and save our home. Save the home. Help me. Come on, help me together. help me, or save your breath. The great God in heaven looked down, saw the little parrot going back and forth, saw the animal still sitting on the bank of the river, not moving. And the great God above began to cry. And when the great God cries, the world cries, and the rain put out the fire. And everywhere one of those raindrops touched the singed and burned feathers of that little parrot, well, those feathers fell off, and in their place grew new feathers, a cacophony and range of color unseen before. Brilliant blues, screaming yellows, verdant greens, pristine whites. So the next time you're at the zoo, or you see the man with the parrots on his shoulder, hey, you want a picture? You'll remember why those colors are there and what it is that the little parrot needs. It needs from all of us right now, facing whatever fires are burning in our hometown. The parrot needs our help. Alone we are little, but together we are great and mighty. But we need to get together and help. Sometimes you've got to get up, step out, enter in, make a difference. You gotta help.